Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to do something different. It's a craft idea and I've seen lots of these all over the internet, particularly on Pinterest. Loads of people are painting rocks and some are leaving them there for other people to find. Anyway, I thought I'd do this because my friend's 2-year-old little girl gave me a rock when we went to the beach the other day. She told me to keep it safe and to give it back to her, so I thought I'd paint it before I give it back to her. So we're going to be drawing this really cute little strawberry, or painting it onto the rock. So all that you need is a rock, a stone, a pebble. You're going to need paintbrushes. You're going to need some acrylic paint. Definitely need white. You can just get this from your local craft store. And colours that you're going to need: red, yellow, blue, green if you want, or you can mix yellow and blue to make green, some brown and some black. So that's all that you're going to need. Let's get started. So I've put the stone on just a lid, a little pot lid, just to help me paint it, and then I'm going to start with just painting it all in white acrylic paint. I might need a few layers of this. I think I'm going to do about 2 layers, so I'll have to wait for the first layer to dry and then I'll cover it again in white paint. This also seals in all the little holes because I think this particular rock's quite porous, so we want all the holes to be sealed. And I'll carry on doing this and I'll put 2 layers on. Okay, once you've painted it all white, then you can paint it all red. So using some red acrylic paint, I'm just doing the same. I'm going to go over the whole entire stone in red. Just making sure I get a really nice even coverage. And if I need to, I might go over it twice. So we'll just see how bright this comes out. So now I'm going to paint on the green stalk at the top, just mixing the paint. So I'm just going to kind of outline where it's going to go. There's one little leaf coming around here, one like that. And then another one around here. Like that. I'm going to have to do several layers on this because the red keeps on shining through. Alternatively, you could just paint it in white, wait for that to dry, and then add the green on top. So entirely what you want to do. Also, to help the paint dry a little bit quicker for this tutorial, I've been using a hairdryer simply because it's acrylic paint. Not the best practice, but gets the job done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to dry it with the hairdryer, add on another coat, and I'll add a darker shade of green as well. Okay, so I've added another coat of green paint, and I've also added some shadow in dark blue, just around, just to show that it's kind of 3D. I'm going to add a little bit darker green paint now, just slightly darker, just along the centre part, the leaves, to the tips. There we go. I'm going to do the same for all of them. And the same around here. And then here as well. the last two. Kind of line down the center. And last but not least, this one over here. There we go. Just like that. So I'm just going to wash my paintbrush. And the next stage, we are going to add some, I've mixed a little bit of yellow, lemon yellow, and some brown. And we're just going to do the little pips. So they're just like little pips about this size. Going all the way around the strawberry. Just like this. You can have some fun with this. It's actually quite therapeutic painting things like this. So you want all the pips to kind of be pointing towards the bottom here. Keep on going. And I'm going to go all the way around the back now. I'm going to add a mixture of dark brown and dark blue, just to kind of show the shadow around the little pips. So I hope you can see that. Keep going around all of them, just to make it stand out a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to add the cute eyes, and I'm using some Mars Black for this. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw one circle on this side, quite a large circle. Just like that. And then the same over here. There we have the eyes. Okay, next, using a slightly thicker paintbrush, I'm going to mix some white in with the red, so we get kind of like a pink colour. And we're just going to fill in some of the gaps just to show where the light hits the strawberry. So just here. Going to be a little bit lighter. I'm going to go around the pips. I'm going to leave kind of a circle around the pips. Just like that. Just like so. And in between them. we go. So I'm doing the light coming from this direction, so this top corner is going to be lighter than all the rest. So I'm just going to get more and more red as I go towards the bottom and less pink. So I do this all the way around. And I'm going to do the same on the back. So now we're going to add some white just to show the highlighted areas. So I'm going to do them mainly around here, just around the little seeds. Not much. Just makes it stand out a little bit better. Around here. Just like that. Just keep going around, just accentuating the highlighted areas. Just like that. Then a few at the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to highlight some of the little seed areas. So I'm mixing white with yellow. So we can add a little dot at the top of each seed. There we go. Just like so. Okay, do maybe one more, just up here, because these ones will get the most light. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to wash my paintbrush, and I'm going to do the highlighted area in the eye. So, using white, do a big white circle. The same on this side. I find that I hold my breath when I do things like this. Do you do the same? Let me know in the comment section. And then let's make this a little bit bigger, I think. Okay, and then a smaller one, just to the left of it. I'm going to do a second coat in a second, just to make the white really, really stand out. Now, last but not least, we're going to add the cute little mouth. So, just using the black again, I'm just going to draw a little smiley face. Just like that. There we go. And another coat. make it really stand out. So after this, it's now finished. Once you've finished this, you can actually put a glaze on it, or if you don't have any varnish, then what I usually do is just use clear nail varnish, just to make it all shiny afterwards, but wait for the paint to dry. And then it makes a beautiful paperweight or just a lovely ornament. And you can make loads of these, hundreds of these, and use them as decoration. So let me know how you get on. Let me know if you want to have more rock painting, and if you've got any ideas that you'd like me to do. Please hit subscribe and like, and don't forget to check out my free PDF of how to draw a horse galloping. Hope you've enjoyed this, and post some pictures on my Facebook page. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.